Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make this twist and pop-up card. It is widely used as a scrapbook card. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos. Now let's start the tutorial. Take a cardstock of size 13 into 34 centimeter. Divide 34 centimeter side into half, that is mark on 17 centimeter. Then score it and fold it according to that scored line. Now take another cardstock piece of size 11 into 24 centimeter and divide 11 centimeter sides into half, that is mark on 5.5 centimeter, and then score it. Now taking 24 centimeter side, marks at point 6.5 centimeter on each of the four corners, and then join the opposite corners crosswise and then score them. Now fold this central part inward and these cross parts outward. Note the folding pattern, and now we will fold it like this. Note it. We will fold it like this and it will open like this. Okay, now take another cardstock of size 32 into 11 centimeter. This is our third cardstock piece, and divide 32 centimeter side at 8 centimeter, 16 centimeter and 24 centimeter, and this will give us 4 equal parts. Score them and then we will fold it. Fold the inner part outward and the side parts inward. So follow this pattern and it will make a zigzag pattern. Now I'm taking a lighter shade of cardstock and I will cut 4 pieces, each of size 7 into 10 centimeter, and I will paste it one by one on this. Now take the first card which I folded in half, and on the upper and lower side I will use cutouts. You can take any design of cutouts and paste it using a brush and white glue. Cut the extra and similarly paste the other cutout on the upper side as well. Now take a pattern paper, apply white glue with the help of brush on its back side and paste it on the remaining part of this flap as well as on the other flap. Now take this cardstock folded piece which I shown you earlier, and I will paste it from this side using the white glue. Press this flap against that point, and now I will paste this part on the other flap. Now press it well, and this will open like this. Now first locate central point on this piece on both the upper and lower side, and then I will apply glue on this corner and this corner with the help of brush. Now take this piece and note the position of folds and paste this piece on the corners. Its central point should be on the central point of that lower piece, right? And then it is ready. And apply pattern paper on the top, or you can decorate it in any other way which you want. Cut it according to the size of the card and paste it by applying white glue with brush. So this is almost ready, and you can see how beautifully it opens and closes. You can embellish it more by using sticky pearls, as I did in this case. And similarly, you can also apply sticky pearls on this part. So this twist and pop-up card is ready, and it is widely used in scrapbooks, and photos are added on this inner folding panel. I hope you will like the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon